Welcome to the College Investor Audio Show, where we talk about the biggest issues impacting millennial money, from student loan debt to side hustles to building wealth. We will show you how to get out of debt so that you can build real wealth for the future.
Tax time comes once per year, and many filers are reluctant to change software when they found one they like. But this year, TaxSlayer made such huge improvements that it may overthrow some longtime favorites. I'm not kidding. If you're on the edge of your seat, prepare yourself for the TaxSlayer review of 2021. Also, if you're self-employed, please pay attention to this review. Welcome to the College Investor Audio Show. So glad you are here. So TaxSlayer does offer a free tier. It's only for people with W-2 income, though. It allows users to claim the rebate recovery credit, education credits, and the student loan interest deduction all for free. All other users will need to upgrade to the TaxSlayer Classic Edition. What's new in 21? Well, TaxSlayer's biggest changes have to do with navigation. The software offers simplified navigation that cuts down significantly on tax jargon. Thank you! The clear, easy-to-understand guide navigation is paired with more knowledge articles, too, and a much cleaner user interface. TaxSlayer's improved software puts it squarely in the premium software category. That's why it won 2 superlatives this year in our Best Software Roundup. If you want to see that article, it is at thecollegeinvestor.com. Here is the TaxSlayer pricing plans. They have 4 pricing tiers, but the second tier, Classic, supports all tax situations. Keep that in mind. The difference between the Classic and the higher-priced tiers are just some of the extras they offer. If you're going to pay for tax software, TaxSlayer offers an incredible value with its Classic Edition. This version includes all deductions, credits, and forms, and if you're a person with a small side business, a rental property, and a W-2 job, this is an incredible bargain. The Classic version also includes IRS inquiry assistance. With this support, TaxSlayer will help users respond to IRS inquiries for up to 1 year. The premium and self-employed versions also come with help from tax professionals. TaxSlayer Navigation. It offers both guided and DIY navigation options. The self-guided navigation is one of the best in the business because TaxSlayer makes it easy to jump back into the guided version in case you get lost or confused. So cool. Navigation is enhanced with simple tips sprinkled throughout the software. The software also offers several section summaries that just make it easy to see what's been entered. Best of all, section summaries include hyperlinks back to various sections. If a user spots, something a little bit weird, they can click and correct it so easy and fast. The only detraction from the navigation is the wordiness of some of the questions. Although TaxSlayer eliminated tax jargon from its questions, the questions do still remain a little bit long. Users may need to take a break because the volume of reading can be a little taxing. See what I did there? So let's talk about the ease of use for a little bit. TaxSlayer is easy to use, but it doesn't have all the bells and whistles offered by some other providers. For example, users can import prior year's tax returns in W-2 forms. However, TaxSlayer doesn't support 1099 form imports. Since TaxSlayer has videos, learn more buttons and articles throughout the software, most people will find the software pretty easy to use. The only struggle or difficulty I found was related to depreciating assets for a rental property or a business. Users will need to know some basic information about their depreciation methods to use the calculators effectively. However, this little difficult spot makes the tax professional consultation all the more valuable. Users who upgrade to premium or self-employed can ask a tax professional all their questions. All users have access to technical support too. Let's talk about the knowledge articles. I love TaxSlayer's robust knowledge base. Users can easily find information on a wide variety of topics, and the topics are free of tax jargon. Oh, hallelujah! Unlike many companies, TaxSlayer has curated the best assortment of articles to meet users' needs. My only criticism of the articles is that they generally don't tell you where to enter information in the software. That might be something to improve on, guys. TaxSlayer Extras. TaxSlayer is all about the extras, actually. The Classic tier includes all tax forms and IRS audit assistance for 1 year. With the Premium and Self-Employed edition, users get the option to speak with a tax professional. The IRS inquiry assistance gets extended to 3 years for each of these tiers, too. Now, crypto investments. TaxSlayer does support filing taxes on cryptocurrency investments, but it doesn't really have specific integrations to make filing easier. This year, though, the cryptocurrency knowledge articles offer a lot of improvement over previous years. Can you request your stimulus check? Taxpayers who never received a stimulus check or who received too small of a check can use TaxSlayer to claim a rebate recovery credit. TaxSlayer asks about stimulus checks early in the process, shortly after you enter your personal information, so pretty early on. And then once you complete your filing, TaxSlayer will calculate the amount you're owed and apply it to your return. Once you file your return, the appropriate amount will be added to your refund check. And how does TaxSlayer stack up to the competition? TaxSlayer offers an incredible user experience. It is being compared to TurboTax, H&R Block, and TaxHawk. Its ease of use falls between the top-tier options of TurboTax and H&R Block and the bargain option, TaxHawk. Now, this year, we recommend TaxSlayer as the best tax software for side hustlers and self-employed people. TaxSlayer prices itself in the middle of the market. The Classic tier is one of the best values in the tax software landscape. However, users who want support from a professional may want to upgrade to the Premium or Self-Employed tiers. Just note, TaxHawk offers professional support too for $24.99. Here are some final thoughts on TaxSlayer 2021. After years of improvements, TaxSlayer offers a premium product that rivals H&R Block and TurboTax, and it comes at a lower price point than either of their competitors. In 21, I'm a huge fan of the Classic, Premium, and Self-Employed versions of the software. Classic offers a low price point with IRS inquiry assistance. The Premium and Self-Employed tiers also include support from a tax pro. While you may find a free filing service that works for you, Credit Karma Tax, TaxSlayer offers a compelling value in 2021. I hope this review show was helpful. If you did find it helpful, go ahead and share this with a friend who's looking around at tax software too. You can find tons of other reviews and more at thecollegeinvestor.com. Thanks again for stopping by today, and we will talk to you again very soon.